What's going on, guys? Andrew here, back for another moto vlog. Today we're talking about things I learned over my first year of riding. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I would say, I'll give you a little background. So I have no riding experience prior. So I started on the MSF course, which I would highly recommend, especially if you have no experience. Even if you do have experience, you know, you get all the basics down, and I really can't recommend it more. All right, guys, so the first thing that I would say that I learned in my first year riding would be, you are going to be nervous like all the time when you ride. I mean, I cannot stress this enough that when you have no experience and you're gonna go out and ride, like, you're gonna be scared. And you know, it's a good thing. I mean, you're gonna ride safer and pay attention, so that's definitely a good thing. I would definitely recommend starting on like back roads and side roads, stuff like that. I would not go onto a busy road right away, which I think it helped my confidence. So another thing I would say is practice in parking lots. Oh my goodness, to get your slow maneuvers down and just, you know, boost your confidence like that, it helps tremendously, especially when you don't have as much experience. Number two, I was deathly afraid of dropping my bike. When you spend all this money and time to get in a bike, you don't want to drop it. Luckily, so far, I have not dropped it yet. But, you know, I can remember one close time that I was. Of course, I was going slow. I was probably going 5-10 miles an hour. And, yeah, I had my handlebars turned to the left, like so, when I was trying to turn, and I almost dropped it. Luckily, I caught it just in time, but I mean, it's definitely a thing to be wary of. It's bound to happen eventually, but you can try to prevent it as much as possible. But I would not worry about it so much. It's just, you know, part of riding. Everyone's going to do it at some point. The next thing I would say is take it at your own pace. I'll be honest, I really want to learn how to wheelie and whatnot, but I don't have that experience nor confidence yet to do that. Plus, I mean, you got to get your foundation before you can start stunting it. But that is something I do want to learn how to do at some point. But I would say you need someone to teach you, to be honest. Because trying to just, you know, try to learn how to wheelie from a YouTube video is not the play. I tried it. I'll be honest. I tried to do it. I could not get my wheel off the ground. But, you know, maybe that's something in the future. The next thing that I would say is ride your own ride. I know it's pretty common saying, but it's for a reason. Don't try to do stuff you're not able to do or anything like that, because that's what causes accidents, you know, and we want to try to prevent those as much as possible. Guys, another thing that I learned over my first year of riding my bike is not realizing how much maintenance that you're gonna have to do on your bike. And this is almost more so important because you don't have 4 wheels. You have 2 wheels that depend on getting traction on the ground. So making sure you always have enough tire pressure, and you grease your chain and do your oil maintenance. Make sure your chain has enough slack or it's tight enough. One thing I didn't even realize when I started, I didn't even know that was a thing. So another thing is you're gonna stall a lot, like a lot, and you know, that's okay. Try not to be embarrassed about it. Everyone has done it. You're not gonna start riding a bike and then just never stall. So I've gotten beeped and stuff like that. You just try to get your muscle memory into turning your bike back on and just go about your day. It's the best way to look at it. I mean, you just gotta keep practicing so you'll get better at it. I mean, I still stall now, and I've been riding over a year, so just something you have to get used to. And another thing, this one's more of a tip more than anything, is that you need to, I have a stop sign, bro. Wear your gear, okay? Just wear it. Even if you, I'm going quick to the store, or just gonna go for a quick ride, wear your gear, because that is when you're gonna drop your bike and you're gonna wish you were wearing it. And I would say, if not, you gotta wear your helmet, your gloves. Those are like the two most important things, in my opinion. Because what's gonna hit first? Either your hands are gonna hit the ground first, more than likely. And I mean, you want to protect your head. I don't understand how all these people, especially down here in South Carolina, there's so many people that ride with nothing, no helmet, no gloves. It's ridiculous. I don't understand. I don't understand it. Guys, that's just a little bit of the stuff I experience. I'm not gonna make a whole long video of a billion things, but those are just some of the things that I learned and experienced, and would, you know, just pass it on to you guys so you kind of know what the first year is like. Guys, last thing before I go, drop down in the comments, how long have you guys been riding? I want to know where everyone's at. If you haven't started riding, when are you looking at riding? But I appreciate everyone coming through to the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new. We're gonna have weekly videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.